everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I have an unboxing to do, and it is the SUZANNE Selects box. So I was looking at makeup addiction and I wanted to know what new boxes they was coming out, subscription boxes, and I also been wanting to get into skincare. So I saw this box, I checked it out, and I saw that Suzanne Summers has her own subscription box, so I decided to look more into it. And so what I have noticed is that she had a lot of skincare more targeted to like women that was interested in more organic type of makeup and skincare. And so that intrigued me a lot because I'm trying to be as cruelty-free as possible. So everything in her line is cruelty-free. She has her own websites. You can get all the products that's in this subscription box, plus many more products in her line on her website, which will be linked down below along with the subscription service. But yeah, she has a bunch of skincare, she has makeup, she also has her own YouTube channel trying on some of the products in her line, both makeup and skincare, and some other videos on the YouTube channel of hers. This is my first box. I was sent this for free just to review on my channel, but I have no obligation of saying anything of any kind. They just basically sent the box for review so I could share my thoughts and opinions on this box. And yeah, I'm really happy to try it out. So it is like a $39.99 monthly subscription, but you can do it monthly. You have the option to do it monthly or every 2 months or every 3 months. So you have the option of choosing that when you go to get the subscription. So if you think you're not going to use these products every month, or you don't think you have the money to put up for it, because $39.99 is a little bit for a monthly subscription, but if you want to do it every 2 months or 3 months, they have that option to choose. And I'm not sure if it's just skincare or not, but this one I already kind of peeked inside just to see if I needed to put on a little bit of makeup and, you know, kind of do it that way. But I did see it was all skincare, but I haven't tried anything out yet. I just saw what was in it and then put it back up. They did give me a discount code. It will be in my description box below, so please check it out if you're interested at all in this. It will save you 25% off of their site. This includes any product on the site, or even including the subscription service. So 25% off is not bad at all. But the discount code is Valerie, all caps, in case you don't want to look at the description box and you can remember really easy. Valerie, V-A-L-E-R-I-E, in all caps, and that will give you 25% off of your box. There's a lot more information down in my description box below. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can also ask me any questions in my comment box, and I will gladly either answer it or try to get an answer from somebody, or I will try to get the answer for you. But yeah, without waiting anymore, let's just get on to this box. So like I said, I did peek in the box, so it's already open, but this is what it looks like when you open it. So there is Suzanne Summers, and she matches her box. It's all yellow, and this is a little card that says what all you got in this box. And so it says it's got Ageless Serum, Liquid Oxygen Therapy, Targeted Night Cream, Wild Orange Vanilla Lip Balm. So it came with 4 full-size products, and the retail value of this box was $149.96, which you pay $39.99 for this subscription. And don't forget, you can use my code Valerie in all caps to get 25% off, and that will save you even more. So the first thing in the box is the Ageless Serum, and this is what it looks like. It says, Ageless Serum, my bestseller, packed with anti-aging activities to truly transform the appearance of your skin. Retail value $34.99. So this alone almost pays for the box. I'm guessing I can put this on in order of the card. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try it on for you since I don't have any makeup on. And I did watch her YouTube video of her skincare video she has, and she says it layers great with makeup, so I do have somewhere to go after this video, so we'll see, or I will see how well that does. It says, loaded serum provides extreme repair to stressed, aging skin, reduces the appearance of wrinkles, and improves skin's natural vitality. Organic, certified, toxic-free. So let's try this on. I don't know. I guess you just put it on like a normal serum all over your face. It has like a slight, I want to say, orangey smell to it, but it's not overpowering at all. That was one pump, but I think I should have done two, just because I have very dry skin. One pump with someone with like normal to oily skin might just need one pump, but I mean, one pump went a really good ways though. But I like I don't know. One pump was enough. It is going a long way, and we do have this other stuff to try out, so one pump was good. It smells good, and it did feel very good on the face. It felt like more of a lotion type of serum. It's not that silky, but not that lotiony, and it's not tacky. It just feels really good. It actually doesn't feel like anything I've really tried before. I've tried a serum before, but this one feels like more of a lotion type of texture to it. But it just feels really nice. I don't know how to explain it very good, but it feels very, very nice. The other two products came in a bubble wrap. This was very nicely packaged, I will say that. So the next thing is the Liquid Oxygen Therapy Unreal Hydration, like a spa in a bottle, for a at-home oxygen facial at a much more reasonable price. Retail value of $54.99. So on the bottle it says, give your skin the breath of life with nature's gift of liquid oxygen therapy. Liquid oxygen promotes skin respiration and encourages the natural hydration process. The luxurious elixir reverses the signs of aging while providing smooth and healing properties to the skin. And that's what that looks like. It has a little bit of smell to it too, but it's not overpowering. It's a different type of smell. It's like a more clean type of smell, or a fresh smell. That felt very good too. The next thing I have is the Targeted Night Cream, loaded with nutrition and anti-aging activities that soak into the skin and work all night long. Retail value of $49.99. And on the bottle it says, the Remarkable Night Cream helps to create the appearance of smoother, tighter skin. Biometric properties target lines and wrinkles and help to support the skin's structure. So this is a night cream, and I believe on her video I saw she said you could wear it during the day. It doesn't really matter. It pairs good with makeup. So that's what I'm gonna do. And that's what that one looks like. This one has a slight smell to it too. It's different from the other two. These just got a real good natural smell to them. Like, you can tell it's not like added scent just to make it scented. It just smells really natural. I don't know if you can see this, but there's like little yellow flaky stuff. I don't know if you can tell, but there one is right there. And it went all over my face. I don't know if that meant I probably should have exfoliated first, because I have not exfoliated in like a week, and I normally do exfoliate once a week, so I probably should have done that before this to get a fair shot. But maybe I wasn't supposed to use the night cream with these other things, but it didn't say not to, and I believe in her video she did, so I don't really know. And I did have a clean face right before this. I just got done washing my face before this, so I don't know. I mean, it's not totally bad. I'm just like rubbing it off right now, so maybe it kind of took dead skin off, but then again it was yellow tinted, and none of this stuff was really yellow, so I don't really get that. Alright, I think I got all of that off, but my face does feel very smooth other than the little bit of flakiness I kind of felt after that. But it feels really like, I don't know, just really smooth and hydrated. I don't know. I really like it though so far. I do got one more product to share with you. This is the Wild Orange Vanilla Lip Balm, and her message on this little card says that the first time in my life my lips actually feel hydrated because there are no chemicals to dry them out. Kissable. Retail value of $9.99. So that's what the product looks like. And on it, it says Suzanne Organics Lip Balm Wild Orange Vanilla. And then it just says naturally flavored. Ooh. Smells like a sugar, a sweet sugar smell. I don't really know. Almost like an orange creamsicle smell. Or maybe a lemon type of creamsicle. I don't know. It smells good though. Wow, this stuff is very moisturizing. Like, it feels like I'm putting like, I don't know, like shea butter on my lips or something, or some type of butter, like a buttercream. It just feels really good. Like, I seriously just dabbed this and that's all I needed for around the whole lip. I didn't even need to go around my whole lip. That is very moisturizing. So, wow. I mean, for only 10 bucks too, and that's really affordable for a chapstick, because, I mean, if you go to Burt's Bees, I believe theirs is like $5 each. And this is 10 bucks, but this one's a whole lot better. Burt's Bees, I feel like, doesn't really do a good job at moisturizing as much as that one did. Like, that one is like, touch it on your lips and you're good. So that's what all I got from this SUZANNE Selects box. And do I think it's worth it? So far, skincare, you're getting 4 full-size items, and it's only 40 bucks. I believe that's totally worth it, especially since you're getting $150 worth of skincare for just $39.99 a month, or whenever. Like I said, you can choose it for monthly, or every 2 months, or every 3 months. They have those options. I think this box is totally worth it, And if you think it's worth it, then don't forget, before you go over there to make sure, or before you click on to buy the product, don't forget my 25% discount code. It's Valerie, V-A-L-E-R-I-E, in all caps, and that will save you 25%. Alright, so I really loved this SUZANNE Selects box. My skin feels really, really good. I am so ready to put on my makeup and go out the rest of the day and see how it goes with makeup, which I'm pretty sure it will. I feel like my skin looks really good. I love this box. I would definitely get this box again. I really do believe it's worth the price. You're only paying 40 bucks for 4 full-size products. Don't forget, September 23rd, I will be uploading a video of my fall giveaway. Since this is skincare, it will take me a while to say like how I really feel about the products. I understand it's skincare and it takes a while, but I already feel like I really love the product, but I know opinions change over time. So this is a pre-recorded video. By like 2 weeks, I should have a good opinion by that time, and you can ask me how I still feel, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to love it 2 weeks from now. And if I use I'm going to put this by my bathroom sink, so I will be using these products every day until I use them completely up. So by the end of fall, I'm pretty sure I should use all those products up. But if not, that's good too, because that means that they last a long time. But you will hear me saying stuff throughout my videos of my thoughts and opinions on these products. And you definitely will see them in upcoming empties with my full impressions. If you have not seen any of my empties videos, those are a good way to really know my thoughts and opinions on any type of makeup or beauty care products, skincare, bath care, whatever. They're full reviews, because by the time I empty them, I know if I love it or hate it or enjoy it, or if I would repurchase or not repurchase. Do I think it's worth the price? Do I not think it's worth the price? What I think is worth the price, what I think is a better alternative for the price. Whatever. All my thoughts and opinions will be on my empties video, and I just did my summer empties. It was my last upload, so don't forget to check that out. But yeah, this one might end up in my fall empties, or maybe even in my winter empties. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!